In the world of cybersecurity, threats evolve fast. But with the right tools and skills, you can stay ahead of them. Introducing the Cortex XSIAM Investigation and Analysis course, a 2-day expert-led training designed to help security professionals conduct fast, intelligent investigations across complex environments. You'll learn how to investigate incidents and artifacts using XSIAM's causality chain, query and analyze logs using XQL for actionable insights, leverage threat intel and automation for faster, smarter response. Delivered by DataCypher Education, this course blends interactive lectures with hands-on labs, helping you build deep, practical expertise in security operations. Explore a focused curriculum covering threat detection and response, attack surface management, automation and orchestration, reporting and dashboards. Whether you're a SOC analyst, threat hunter, or incident responder, this course is built for you. At DataCypher, we don't just train. We transform security teams with world-class trainers with real-world experience. Customized, hands-on labs, global recognition and certification support. Flexible delivery included in-person, virtual, and hybrid. Join learners from top companies who've accelerated their careers with DataCypher. Gain skills that matter and take control of your security operations. Cortex XSIAM Investigation and Analysis. Master the platform. Investigate with confidence. Respond with impact.